Do you want to copy Facebook Reels link? You can copy Facebook video link with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To copy a Facebook Reels link. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on Facebook, tap the Reels icon at the top or bottom of the screen. Now you are on the Reels feed. Browse through the Reels and find the Reel whose link you want to copy. Now, from the bottom right of the video screen, tap the three dots menu icon. A pop-up menu will appear with different options. From here, find and tap Copy Link. The link to the Facebook Reel will now be copied to your clipboard. You can paste and share the copied Reel link anywhere you want, such as in Messages, Posts, or other apps.